Sure. All right, box whisker plot, always good for one question on the test every single year. So you have to know at least a little bit about it. All it is medians and more medians. So the median of any box whisker plot is this point right in the center. So it'll be 62. The lower quartile is the median of the lower half, which is going to be the left side of your box. So that's 60. The upper quartile is the other side of the box. So that's going to be 64. The greatest height is the biggest number, which is this one over here, 66. The shortest height is the lowest number, which is 58. The range is the distance between greatest and the highest, so it's 66 minus 58, which is 8. All right, that is how to read box and whisker plot. So median, upper quartile over here, and lower quartile on this side. So let's look at how to make one of those. If it gives you a set of data, you just put them in order. So we have 5, 6, 2 7s. The 7 is actually just the question number. 1 8, 1 9, 3 10s, and an 11 and a 12. I think that's right. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. All right, first thing you do, you find the median. So you look at the number in the middle. Since there are 11 numbers in our set, that means the median is going to be the 6th number. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that puts our median at 9. 5 numbers on the left, 5 numbers on the right. After you find the median, you then find the median of everything less than the median. So if we look at all these numbers from 5 through 8, we find the median of that, we get 7. We do the same thing on the right side. So the median over here is going to be 10. The last 2 points we care about are the minimum and the maximum. So that's going to be 12 and 5. Once you have your 5 points, you just connect them all, and you have a box whisker plot. So we can make ourselves a number line here that starts at 5 and ends at 12. We have our 5 points we care about. 5, let's say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that was bad. Shut up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So you have a point at 5, a point at 7, a point at 9, a point at 10, and one at 12.
Oh, I thought that was a 15.
No.
Back on the...
No. Okay. So we look at the 3 medians that we put, and that makes the box. And then our minimum and maximum make our whiskers, and you're done. That's it. So you find 3 medians, the low point, the high point, and you're finished. Any questions? I said any questions? Okay, so now you can go and practice this online. Okay? So if you go to Khan Academy, look for box and whisker plots, and this is actually kind of nice because instead of having to rewrite it, you can drag the numbers around to put them in order. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 11. How's that look? Yeah. Thank you. So we look for what is the median here. So we count up how many numbers we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. which means our median is going to be the 8th number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to be 11. So we say our middle line is going to be at 11. Now we look at everything less than that. So if here's our median, what is the number that's in the middle of the left group of numbers? Is it 7, 8, 9, 10, or 11?
The median.
It would be,
Range.
it's a number answer.
10.
10. Thank you. If we look at the right side here, what's in the middle? Not 11. On the right side, everything over here.
12.
Stop guessing. It would be 13.
Yeah.
Okay, where are these 2 extra points going to go?
You're gonna like, where we're putting the median?
Well, we already found the 3 medians. What about these 2 whiskers at the end? Where did those go to?
That's what they're called, whiskers.
Yes.
Do you divide those?
Uh-uh.
Multiply?
Remember what we said that the whiskers go to? The low number and the high number. So what's our lowest number here?
What?
I can't see those ones.
Can't.
Okay, what was the question again?
What's the lowest of those numbers?
7.
7. So we put our left whisker at 7. What's the highest number? 15. And assuming we did this correctly, this should be correct. So if we try another one and get someone to come up here and do it.
Not just kidding.
So what's the first thing we need to do?
Like, like I just put these like from least to highest.
Correct. Put them in order from least to greatest. Should have some music playing in the background while this is happening.
There you go.
All right. So now, let's start with the whisker part. So what's the lowest number?
2.
Is 2, and the highest number? You can just minimize that one. Or move it, whatever. So the maximum number is 13. So then we need to figure out which number is in the middle. So how many total numbers do we have? Okay, so 15. So how many should be on the left, how many should be on the right? You don't know? I don't know. Hold on. Let's do this. Let's make this a little bit more writable on. Shut up. There. So we cross them out from left and right. You times 4 divided by 3.
That's it?
Uh-huh. All right, so we know our median is going to be 8. So circle that one. And then erase everything else. Uh-huh. Except for that circle on 8. That's good. Okay, so now we look for what is in the middle of all the numbers to the left of that 8. So we look for the median of everything on the left side. So that's going to be 6, so we can circle that one. And then we do the same thing on the right.
So that's it?
Mm-hmm.
But it says surface area.
Don't worry about that. right, so we know the 3 points of our box should be at point 6, 8, and 9. Right, that's a 6. Okay. Okay, so we go back to over here. Remove our 3 points here to 6, 8, and 9 from the blue box. So our median was at 8, so we put that middle line over 8. The lower median was at 6, and the upper median was at 9. And if we did it correctly, we should be able to hit check answer, and it should say correct. And there you go. Okay, so go home, practice this tonight, and become experts. Okay. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.